Do-it-yourself tripod baseplate adapter for a mobile phone. The prototype was made from one sheet of bass wood. The two smaller pieces serve as guides and support to hold the phone in place. A quarter-inch nut was glued into a respective hole for the receiving screw from the tripod baseplate. Two strips of sheet metal were superglued upon the device for added support. And now, a demonstration.